Hello students, good evening all. Welcome to this session. Now in this one, now it is starting with sequence. Now sequence చెప్పండి. First చేస్తాము తర్వాత చేస్తాము. Now what is the priority here? Now this should be done at the very beginning of the session. కనిపించగానే start చేయాలి. Then now in this, let us start working on this one. Question number 1. Said ఆఫ్ చేసావు లేదా? Now question number 1. Yes, tell me what is the answer you have? I hope most of you students have done this. చెప్పండి ఆన్సర్ ఏమొస్తుంది? చాయిస్ 3. Good. Then coming to the first one, which of the following is the 8th element to the left of 16? 8th left and 16th left. Left and left means same direction. Same direction we need to subtract. 16 minus 8 is what? 8th letter from the left hand side. 1, 2, 3. 8th element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is your answer here? Hash, that is choice 3. Question number 1, it is choice 3. Whenever the directions are same, left and left subtract, right and right subtract. If the directions are different, then add these two. Clear? This is about question number 1. Then coming to question number 2, your time starts now. Question number 2. Yes, Manoj. Now you are getting the live checkout here. Question number 2. Is done. Now coming to this one, question number 2. What is the position of percentage with respect to hash? And with respect to hash percentage, now what is the position with hash? Where is hash? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then 11th from the right. 11th to the right, that is choice 5. Clear now? Now the position of this percentage from hash. Now we need to count from here to here. Now this is the 11th element to the right hand side. Choice 5 is the answer, question number 2. Then coming to question number 3. Now in this question number 3, four out of the following 5. Four of the following 5 are alike in a certain way based on the given arrangement and hence form a group. And which one of the following does not belong to that group? Which one of the following does not belong to that group? Done with this? Then coming to this one. First one, k and pi v. K 2 pi. K and pi, tell me what is the difference here? 1 and 1, 2, 3 plus 3. That means plus 1 plus 3. JW, J and W plus 1, 1, 2, 3 plus 3. Here again the difference between the elements is 1 and 3. R, F and B. Now R is your R and F plus 1, 1, 2, 3 plus 3. Here again plus 1 plus 3. M hash and M and hash plus 1, 1, 2, 3 plus 3. Here again 1 and 3. then x pi. Now x and pi, tell me what is the difference here? Plus 1. Pi and v, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is plus 1 plus 5. Hence fifth one is the odd one. Except 5. The remaining, the difference between the elements is 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. Hence the choice 5 is the answer. Question number 3. Then coming to question number 4. Question number 4. How many letters are there in the English alphabetical order between the element which is 7th from the left and the element which is 8th from the right? Okay. Now here, no. 7th from the left and 8th from the right end. Now it is based on the given sequence itself. Here the sequence is not displayed here. Now let us check out here. 7th letter from the left hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th letter from the left hand is M. 8th from the right hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th from the right hand is this one. Now between these two, how many letters are there? Alphabets, 1, 2, 3. There are only 3 letters are there. Now 3 is given in which choice? 3 is given in choice 4. Clear? ఇక్కడ మనకి సీక్వెన్స్ ఇక్కడ డిస్ప్లే అవ్వలేదండి. How many letters are there in the English alphabetical order between the element which is 7th from the left hand, 7th from the left hand కి 8th from the right hand కి మధ్యలో ఇంగ్లీష్ alphabetical order లో ఎన్ని లెటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి అని అన్నారు. Okay, how many letters are there? Now between these two, how many letters are there? Now these are the 3 letters in between. Hence question number 4, it is choice 3. Then coming to question number 5. Then question number 5 onwards, it is just based on S. Hemant Reddy. Now in this Hemant Reddy, the question is about how many letters are there between the element which is 7th from the left hand and 8th from the right in the given sequence. ఈ sequence లో 7th from the left hand చెప్పండి 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th from the left hand కి 8th from the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ఈ రెండిట్లో ఈ రెండు ఎలిమెంట్స్ మధ్యలో ఇంగ్లీష్ ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయని అన్నాడు. హౌ మెనీ లెటర్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? హౌ మెనీ లెటర్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? డి, ఏ అండ్ ఎక్స్ are the only 3 letters in between these two elements. Clear now? In between these two elements. Then coming to question number 5 onwards. Yes, question number 5 onwards, please go through the information once. Now it is based on which category? It is based on facing towards north. 7 people are there and 7 people and these persons are facing towards north. Your time starts now. It seems that most of you have done this. Then coming to this one, how many persons are there? There are 7 people. Now these 7 people are seated in a row facing towards north, 4, 5, 6, 7. And R sits at an extreme end of the line. R can be at the left extreme or R can be at the right extreme. 5, 6, 7. R can be here. And at the same time, and only 2 people between R and S, S is here. Only 2 people between R and S, S is here. T sits second to the right of S, T is here. T sits second to the right of S. As many people in between T and R as between S and Q. Now in between T and R there are 4 persons, hence in the first case between S and Q we need to have 4 persons, which is not possible. Here T and R are adjacent, S and Q must be adjacent, hence Q can be at any one of these 2 places. W sits to the immediate left of Q. If Q is here, W cannot be at this place, hence Q cannot be here. Q is here, W is here. Then x sits at one of the positions to the left of y, x is to the left hand side of y. Now this is the final arrangement we have. Then as what is the arrangement? X W Q S Y T R. Then coming to the question, as per the given arrangement, as many people sit to the right of T, one person to the right of T, as one person to the left of W, W that is choice 1, question number 5. Question number 5 it is choice 1. Then question number 6. Question number 6. Yes, any answer to this one? Now, how many people sit between y and s? In between y and s, they are adjacent to each other, 0. There is no one. Choice 1 is the answer. None of them were seated in between these two. They are adjacent to each other. Question number 6. Then coming to question number 7. As per the given information. As per the given information. Question number 7. As per the given information, 4 of the following 5 are alike. That means it is nothing but an odd man out. Start working on this one. Question number 7. Then 4 out of the following is odd one out, Q and X. Now Q and X, there is one person. Between T and Q, there are two persons. Y and W again two persons. S and R two persons, and so on. Hence, what is your answer here? And Q and X, except choice 1. And in the remaining choices, there are exactly two persons, but whereas in choice 1, there is only one person between these two. Hence, first one is odd one. Question number 7. Then coming to question number 8. Question number 8. Who sits out to the right of Q? Who sits out to the right of Q? As in this one, who sits out to the right of Q? Then 1, 2, 3, T sits out to the right of Q. That is choice 2, question number 8. Eighth one, it is choice 2. Then coming to question number 9. Eighth one, choice 2. Question number 9. And what is the position of X from the left and other end? First from the left, isn't it? Now first that is choice 5. Question number 9, it is choice 5. Now 10 onwards, they are based on set of numbers. How many questions were given? Yes, 5 questions based on this one. Start working out this one. Question number 10. Is done. The sum of all the digits of which of the given numbers is the highest. Now we need to find out the highest in this one and sum. 5 plus 6 plus 2 is 13. Here the sum of the digits is 15. Here 16 plus 4 is 20. 9 plus 3 is 12. Here it is 16. And which is the highest? Hence 20 is the highest, that is choice 794, choice 4. Question number 10, it is choice 4. Then 11th one. Start working on this one. 11. Done. 11th one. Now in this line, what will be the resultant if the third digit of the second lowest number? Now 183 is the lowest and second lowest. What is the second lowest here? And 348 is the second lowest here. And in this one, third digit is how much? Third digit is 8. Is divided by the third digit of the second highest. Now this is the highest and 794 is the second highest. And the third digit is 4. 8 divided by 4, that is choice 2. Question number 2. Question number 11, it is choice 2. Done. Then 12th one. Question number 12. Please start working on this one, 12th one. If in each of the given numbers, the positions of the first and the second digits are interchanged. First and the second digits are interchanged. Then what will be the product of the first digit of the lowest number and the highest numbers thus formed? Now we need to find out the product of the first and the first digits in the lowest and the highest numbers. Done. Any answer to this one? No, sir. First and the second digits are interchanged. That means the first digit is 6. Here this is 4. This will be 9. This is 8. And this will be 1. Now in this one, the positions of the first and the second are in what will the product of the first digit of the lowest and the highest. Now the highest number is this one. Isn't lowest number is 1. And the highest number is 1. 9. 9 into 1, that is choice 4 is the answer. Clear? Question number 12, it is choice 4. Follow అవుతున్నారని? Choice 4. Why did choice 4? I'll explain once again. And the positions of first and the second digits are interchanged అంటున్నారు. ఈ రెండు డిజిట్స్ ఇంటర్చేంజ్ చేస్తే ఏ డిజిట్ ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్లోకి వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? సెకండ్ డిజిట్. దట్ మీన్స్ సెకండ్ డిజిట్ మనకి ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్లోకి వస్తుంది. ఆ సెకండ్ డిజిట్ ఏది హైయెస్ట్ ఉంటే హైయెస్ట్ నెంబర్ అవుతుంది, ఎందుకు అది ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్లోకి వస్తుంది కాబట్టి. అదే సెకండ్ డిజిట్ మనకి లోయెస్ట్ ఉందనుకోండి, ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్లోకి వచ్చినప్పుడు అది లోయెస్ట్ నెంబర్ అవుతుంది. కనుక సెకండ్ డిజిట్ ఏది హైయెస్ట్ ఏది లోయెస్ట్ చూడండి. 6 4 9 8 1. 9 is the highest, 1 is the lowest. 9 highest కాబట్టి థర్డ్ డిజిట్ ఏమైంది? 4. Isn't it? Then 9 highest, then the product of the first digit of the lowest. 9 first place లోకి వస్తుంది. And at the same time, ఇది lowest కాబట్టి 1 first place లోకి వచ్చింది. 9 into 1, 9. Question number 12. Then coming to question number 13. 13th one. If in each of the given numbers, all the digits are arranged in ascending order within the number. All the digits are arranged if in each of the given numbers, all the digits are arranged in ascending order within the number, which will form the second highest number అన్నాడు. Now we need to find out the second highest number. Done with this? Then all the digits are arranged in the ascending order within the number, which will form the second highest. Now ascending order means let us check out the least digit. Here 2 is the least digit, here it is 3, here it is 4, here it is 1, here it is 1. కనుక ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి? ఫస్ట్ హైయెస్ట్ ఏమైంది? This will be the first highest, isn't it? And this is the first highest, and this will be the second highest. Second highest, then choice 3. Question number 13, it is choice 3 is the answer. ఇది ఎలా చేశాను చూడండి. Now all the digits are arranged in the ascending order. కనుక ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్లోకి వచ్చేది ఏది వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? లీస్ట్ డిజిట్ ఇన్ దట్ నెంబర్. ఆ నెంబర్లో ఉన్న లీస్ట్ డిజిట్ ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్లోకి వస్తుంది. ఇందులో లీస్ట్ డిజిట్ 2 ఉంది, ఇందులో లీస్ట్ డిజిట్ 3 ఉంది, ఇందులో లీస్ట్ డిజిట్ ఏముంది చెప్పండి? 4 ఉంది, ఇందులో 1 ఉంది, ఇందులో 1 ఉంది. వీటిల్లో ఇప్పుడు ఏమడిగాడు? సెకండ్ హైయెస్ట్. ఫస్ట్ హైయెస్ట్ ఏమో 4, సెకండ్ హైయెస్ట్ ఏమో 3. ఈ 3 ఎక్కడ ఉంది చెప్పండి? 348, చాయిస్ 3. Done? No need to write down the numbers once again. Then coming to question number 14. Now this question number 14 is not based on this one at all. It is a separate question. Odd one out, letter odd one out. Okay. Then JMK. First letter to the last letter J plus 1 is K. LM plus 2. First to last plus 1, third to second plus 2. W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D రావాలి. ఇక్కడేమో E ఉంది. That is the odd one. Clear now except choice 3. And in the remaining the elements are following a particular pattern. ఇక్కడ కూడా చూడండి. MN, OP, PQ, RS. Hence choice 3 is also question number 14. Then coming to question number 15. 15th one, it is a word formation. Then question number 15. Any answer to this? Word formation. Not done? Yes, what is the word you got? Yes, tell me what are the words you got in this case? Then the word diameter. Now in the word diameter, what are the letters we need to take? And 2, 4, 6 and 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. The letters are IMTR. IMTR. Then IMTR. Now with the help of these 4 letters. Now tell me what is the word that can be formed? TRIM, trim is the word that can be formed, isn't it? As trim is the word that can be formed, now the second letter is what? Second letter is R, that is choice 4. Trim, it is choice 4. Now the question is about the second letter of that word. What is the second letter? R is the second letter, that is choice 4. Now this is about question number 15. Then coming to question number 16 onwards, it is based on boxes. Now in general, boxes will keep at the second priority. But if you observe here, not more than 4 to 5 statements were there. చాలా చిన్న పజిల్ ఉంది, అందుకే అటెస్ట్ వచ్చి చేసేద్దాం. ఓకే, ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పటికీ ఓన్లీ 5 minutes అయింది. వీ హ్యావ్ కవర్డ్ అరౌండ్ 15 questions. కనుక దెర్ ఈస్ టైం, యాంపుల్ టైం ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇంకొకసారి ఇది వెనక్కి పెట్టాల్సిన పని లేదు. దట్టు సెట్ కూడా చిన్నగా ఉంది, టైం కూడా మనకి ఇంకా తక్కువే తీసుకున్నాం ఇంతవరకు. ఇంకా చాలా టైం ఉంది కాబట్టి దీన్ని ఇంకొకసారి పక్కన పెట్టే బదులు ట్రై చేయండి. ఓకే, స్టార్ట్ వర్కింగ్ అవుట్ దిస్ వన్. బాక్సెస్ 16 to 20. Done? Good. Mahesh, fine. Yes, most of you had done this one. Then coming to this one, 7 boxes are kept one above the other. B is kept immediately above F. Now this B is immediately above F. B and F are adjacent. Only one box between F and D. D can be here. Or B and F, only one box between F and D. D can be here. And so how many possibilities we have? 2 different possibilities. And next one, only 2 boxes are between D and G. In between D and G, 2 boxes. Hence G is here. And without this one, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, G can be here. G ఇక్కడ ఉంటే 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 సరిపోతుంది. DG ఇలాగైనా ఉండొచ్చు, ఇలాగైనా ఉండొచ్చు. Now in between D and G, what is the only possibility we have? 2 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And next one, J is kept immediately above G. J is kept immediately above G. Here G cannot be here. G ఇక్కడ ఉంటే G. అప్పుడు ఏమైపోయింది? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. J is kept immediately above G. Now here in this case, J is kept immediately above G. And next one, but not at the top. Here J is at the top, this is ruled out. Now we are left with only this one. K is kept at one of the positions above M. K is at one of the positions above M, this is K and this is M. Now this is the final arrangement. B, F, K, D, M, J, G is the order. Then coming to this one question. If all the boxes are arranged in alphabetical order from top to bottom in the alphabetical order, Japani, what are the letters we have? And the boxes are B, D, F, G, J, K, M. Then how many boxes remain at the same place? Only B. Only B, that is choice for 1. Clear now? 16, it is choice for, it is 1. Then 17th one. Now in this question number 17, which box is kept second from the top of the stack? Second from the top of the stack. Tell me what is your answer in this case. Which is second from the top. Now tell me which box is second from the top here. F is second from the top. That is choice 3. Question number 17, it is choice 3. Done with this? Then 18th one. Now in this question number 18, which among the following statements is definitely true? Is true with respect to the given information. Question number 18, which is true with respect to the given information. Now in this, and G is kept at the bottom of the stack, that is definitely true. First one is definitely true. And next one, more than 3 boxes below M. Below M, more than 3 boxes, that is false. And no box is kept between D and J. There is one box, and so only one, that is choice 5. Question number 18, it is choice 5. Then coming to this 19th one. 19. Now in this 19, which box is kept immediately below M? J is the box that is kept immediately below M. J, that is choice 3. Question number 19, choice 3 is the answer. Then 20th. Now in this 20, how many boxes are kept between B and G? Tell me the answer here. How many boxes are in between B and G? Number of boxes between B and G. 20th. Now in this, in between B and G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hence 5 boxes, that is more than 3. Choice 5 is the answer. Clear now? Now question number 20, it is choice 5. Then question number 21. Now in this question number 21, start working out this 21st. Any answer to this 21? Now the word machine, M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. Now the positions of how many alphabets will remain same if each of the letters in the word are arranged in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order, this is A, C, E, H, I, M, N. Now tell me how many letters remain at the same place here. M, A, A, C, C, H, H and I are the 2 letters that remain at the same place. And 2 that is given in choice 2, question number 21. 21 it is choice 2. Then 22 onwards. Now in this question number 22 onwards, it is based on coding and decoding. Okay. Now here. Now coding and decoding, it is a set of 5 questions. As it is a set of 5 questions here, now Let us work out this one afterwards. Okay, because now let us shift to quant section. Now let us work out around 20 questions in the quant section, and which you feel very easy. Then once you have done with those 20 questions in the quant section that are very easy, then let us move on to the remaining questions of this reasoning section. Okay, now sir, now there is a small question, question number 4. Let us check out this one once again. Question number 4. Now, how many letters are there in the English alphabetical order between the element which is seventh from the left? What is the seventh element from the left hand here? G. And eighth from the right. Eighth from the right is what? Yes. Now, between these two letters G and C in the English alphabetical order, how many letters are there? That is, this is 7 and this is 9, isn't it? 19. 19 minus 7, that is how many? 12 minus 1. Altogether, there must be 11. 11 letters should be there. 11 is not there in this choice. In fact, we need to have 11. Okay. Now, let's go back to quant session or to quant now.
Yes, dear students, let's start from question number 41 onwards, our quant session. Yes, here is your time. $20 should be enough. Yes, the denominator is 80 here, 5 16 times, 2 8 times. This is 8 cube and 8, so 8 square 64 answer. Next, and here is your next question. Yes, sum of both the numbers, that is equal to 480 divided by 24 is equal to 5 into something. 24 20 times, 5 4 times, second option, final answer. Second option. Yes, 24. Fourth option. Second option, 4 answer. Yes, here is your next question. Yes, 2 to the power of something. 2 power 4 to the power of 3, that is 2 power 12 divided by, so minus 2 cube to the power of 2, that is plus 6. 18 minus 4, that is equal to 2 to the power of 14. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. Hence, fourth option 4 is our final answer. Fourth option 4. రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ మనకి బేస్ వాల్యూ 2 ఉంది కాబట్టి లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ అన్నిటినీ బేస్ 2గా రాస్తున్నాం. 2 power 4 to the power of 3, 12 డివిజన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి -4, 2 క్యూబ్ to the power of 20, 2 power 6 మల్టిప్లికేషన్ కాబట్టి యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. 18 minus 4 అంటే 14. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14 కాబట్టి 4 ఆన్సర్. నెక్స్ట్, ఎస్, హియర్ ఈజ్ ద టైమ్ నౌ. Oh, this is 14 and 70, that is equal to 84. 84, fifth option, final answer. I think we stopped at 8 minutes. So finally we have to add 8 minutes approximately. I made it 0. Yes, here is your time now. Yes. This is 30 times 30, 20 times. 40 percentage is 20. 100 percentage must be equal to 50. First option, final answer. Yes. First option, final answer. Yes. Next question. Yeah, somebody said 7:59. So we'll add 8 minutes to our faculty timer. Yes. 8 plus 6, that is 14. From this, if you subtract 4, answer should end with 6. Two options are there. 48 plus 16, that is equal to 64. Answer must end with 36. Fourth option, final answer. We verified last two digits. Next. And here is your question now. This must be equal symbol. This is equal to. Yes. 6 2 times here. 2.4 added to this number, that is 27, which is equal to 3 cube. First option, final answer. We were asked to calculate cube value, x cube. Yeah, thank you. Somebody increased speed, it seems. Right, now next question, 48. Yes, 51 square. 50 square is 2500, and to that 50 and 51, 101. 22 square is equal to 484. Answer must end with 85. There is only one option. Fifth option, final answer. Do remember, I'll tell you this simplification. When you know 50 square, which is equal to 2500, and if you want to calculate 51 square, to this just add these two numbers, that is 101. That gives you 26 and 01. Suppose if you want to calculate previous number square, so from this you subtract sum of these two numbers, that is equal to 99. 2500 minus 99, that is equal to 2401. So in this way you can calculate next number square as well as previous number square. So that's the simplification I used here. Yes. Next question. Yes, number after decimal is sufficient. 40, 60, 90, 98, 106, 112. That means 1.12. Answer must end with 0.12. There is only one option. Third option is our final answer. When you add number after decimal, you get 112. That is 1.12. As our concentration is number after decimal, answer must end with 0.12. Yes. As I said, how to identify next number square as well as previous number square. Easily, every person can identify square of a number which ends with 5. So immediately you can answer next number which ends with 6 square, and at the same time previous number which ends with 4 square. So out of, with this we can generate two more. Likewise, you can easily calculate square of a number which ends with 0. That means next number square becomes easy by addition, and previous number square is also easy by simple subtraction. So total there will be 10 numbers, 10 different numbers which ends with different numbers. So out of those 10, 6 are easy. So be confident. Next question. Yes, last two digits meaning number after decimal. Yes. 1500 two times, that is 3075 two times, that is 150. With respect to this, it is exactly 3/4, that means 75 percentage. First option is our final answer. 3/4, 1/4, half of this number is 2100. Again, half is 1050. 3150 is equal to 50% plus 25%. This is one way. The other way is, if you can identify this as exactly 3/4, then 75% directly you can go for it. Yes, next question number 51 onwards. Standard would be probably 10% higher or lesser than this particular paper. That's all. మీ ఒరిజినల్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ స్టాండర్డ్ దీనికంటే ఒక 10% హయ్యర్ లెవెల్లో కానీ లేకపోతే లోయర్ లెవెల్లో కానీ ఉంటుంది. రైట్. So 420 goes to the other side, that is minus 420, that is 540. 15x is equal to this much, x is equal to divided by 15. 15 3 times 45 and then 6 times 36. Third option is our final answer. 15 3 times 45, 90 we have. 90 by 15, which is equal to 636 final. Yes. Next question, your time starts now. 33 కాదండి 36. Somebody is saying 33. Probably simplification mistake. Yes, 2 1 by 5 in the sense that is equal to 11 by 5 into 5 by 2 minus 5 into 20. 5 5 gets cancelled. 11 by 2, 5 and half minus 5, half. Half into 20, that is equal to 10. Fourth option, final answer. Fourth option, 10. And next question. Yes, 11 2 times 0 time 1 time plus 3 square in the sense that is 9, which is 210. This value is 7. 7 comes to left hand side. Answer becomes 30. Fourth option, final answer. Next. Three 4 square 16 5 cube, that is equal to 125. 130 140 and then 4, 144 divided by 24, which is equal to 6 times. First option, final answer. 6 times. And the next question. Yes, 4. 2 by 5 into 1 1 by 4, we can write it as 5 by 4. 5 5 cancel, 2 by 4 is half. 4 minus half, 3 and half. 3 and half minus 49 will come to left hand side, plus 49. Answer is 52 and half. First option is our final answer. Next. So these are wrong number series questions. We must give last priority for wrong number series questions. And yes, till 60 we have. From 61 onwards, it's a simple table. Yes, we can immediately answer these questions. Number of cards printed by 4 printers during 4 days. Information is given, and let's start these questions. Yes, few people already got answer. Right, come on. Number of cards printed by printer B on Tuesday. Printer B Tuesday is what percent more than number of cards printed by printer D Thursday? D Thursday. Yes, with respect to 54, this is 6 more out of 54 percentage into 100. This is 1 by 9. 1 by 9 in the sense 11 1 by 9 percentage. First option is our final answer. Yes. And here is your next question. What is the respective ratio between total number of cards printed by printer A on Tuesday, Wednesday together? A Tuesday and Wednesday together, that is 72. And printer B Thursday and Wednesday. Printer B Thursday and Wednesday, that is equal to 99. 9 8 times and then 9 11 times. 8 by 11, which is fourth option, final answer. 8 by 11. Next. What is the difference between total number of cards printer C D together? Wednesday. Wednesday C and D together, that is equal to 96. Printed by printers AD together on AB on Monday. Monday AB together, that is equal to 83. Difference is equal to 13 answer, which is fifth option. Fifth option is our final answer. Next. What is the average number of cards printed by printer C on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday? C. Monday, Tuesday and Thursday. 60, 80, 90, 104, 108. And your question is about average, that is equal to divided by 3. 36. Fourth option is our final answer. Fourth option. Next question. Yes. Number of cards printed by printer A on Tuesday is A on Tuesday, that is 55. Is what percent of that printer D on Tuesday? D on Tuesday, that is equal to 80. So 55 with respect to 80 percentage into 100, 25 times, and then this is 4 times, which is numerator 275 divided by 4. 4, 6 times 24, and then 8 times point 68 point. There is only one option which is starting with 68 point something. Hence fourth option is our final answer. So now from 41 to 65. Out of these 25 questions, we have completed 20 questions. Now it is reasoning time, and once we are back, we'll have to start from these questions. That is 66 onwards, and 56 to 60, these are wrong number series questions. And we have to resume from question number 66. So at this point of time, I would like to hand over the session to reasoning Sesi sir, and then I'll come back. When we come back, then we'll finish the entire paper. Thank you.
Yes, welcome back. Now tell me where we are. Now we had done up to question number 21 it seems. Then 22 onwards they are based on coding and decoding. Now in this coding and decoding, yes, start working on this one. Your time starts now. First to find out the codes for each and every word in the given code. Okay, make it fast. Is done. Now in this one, now get your own car. Now if you compare these two, what is the word that is common between these two? Your is the word that is common. Get own car. And your is the word that is common between these two. And the code that is common between these two is what? APGD and NI. NI AP. AP is the word that is code that is common. Hence the code to the word your is AP. And again in the third statement also we have one your and one AP. Then if you compare 1 and 3, get own car. Now car is the word that is common between 1 and 3, and the code that is common between 1 and 3 is GD. Hence the code to the word car is GD. Then if you compare 1 and 4, get and own. Own is the word that is common, and what is the code that is common here? NIAR. NI is the code that is common. Hence the code to the word own is NI. Then in this one, in the first one, what is the word left over here? Get is the word left over. And the code that is left over is AR. Hence the code to the word get is AR. Then if you compare 2 and 3, opinion matters most. Matters is the word that is common between 2 and 3. And the code that is common between these two. Yes, what is the code common here? DESVBK. BK is common. Hence the code to the word is BK. Matters is BK. Then opinion and most, and now these two words were not repeated at anywhere else, isn't it? Hence the codes for these two, opinion and most, must be DE or SV in any order. DE and SV. The next one, big and. Big is the word that is left over here, and what is the code that is left over here? OJ. The code for big is OJ. Here also big is here, OJ is here. And finally, house is the word left over, and the code given to the word house is YO. Now these are the words and their corresponding codes. Then coming to this one, what does the code? What may be the code for UHDE? UHDE. DE. UH is what? UH must be a different word. And DE, between opinion and most, one must be there, isn't it? As one must be there between these two. What is your answer here? And most interesting. Hence choice 4 is the answer. Clear now? Now D. DE మనకి ఏమవ్వచ్చు చెప్పండి కోడ్ అయితే ఒపీనియన్ అవ్వాలి లేకపోతే మోస్ట్ అవ్వాలి. ఇక్కడ ఒపీనియన్ లేదు, మోస్ట్ లేదు, చాయిస్ 3లో ఉంది. కానీ బిగ్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా మనకి? బిగ్ యూహెచ్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. ఎందుకు చెప్పండి? బిగ్ ఆల్రెడీ ఓజే. చాయిస్ 3 is ruled out. Hence choice 4 is the answer. 22. Then coming to question number 23. As 23, what may be the possible code for house matters resolved in the given code language? What may be the possible code for house matters resolved? Then coming to this one, house matters resolved. What is the code for house? A house is YO, and matters there is a code that is BK, and resolved. Now resolved is not given at anywhere else. The code for resolved must be a different one. YOBK is not there. YOBK GD, and GD cannot be the code because GD is the code for car, hence it cannot be the code for resolve. And YOBK is not there, and YOBK CS, as CS is not there, hence choice 4 is the answer. Clear now? Hence choice 4 can be the code to the word house matters resolved. 23. Then 24. As question number 24, please. What does the code NI stands for in the given code language? The code for NI. Yes, tell me what is your answer? The code for NI is, now the code for NI is on, that is choice 1. Question number 24, it is choice 1. Then 25. Now in this 25, what is the code for your? What is the code for the word your? Now what is the code for the word your? The code for your is AP. AP, that is choice 5. Now this is about question numbers 21 to 25. Then 26 onwards, it is based on which category? 26 onwards comparison, isn't it? Now let us check out how many questions were given under this one, question number 26 onwards. Now at the max, you can have 3 questions on this comparison. అంతే కదండి? ఎస్ 3 క్వశ్చన్స్. అయితే సెట్ ఎలా ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మనకి 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ సెట్ ఇస్తాడు, లేకపోతే 3 క్వశ్చన్స్ సెట్. నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ 3 సెట్ క్వశ్చన్. దెన్ స్టార్ట్ వర్కింగ్ అవుట్ దిస్ వన్. Each of the 6 persons A, B, C, D, E, and F draws a different amount as salaries. E draws more salary than only B. Let's try to solve this one. I hope you people have done this. Then 6 persons were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now these 6 persons are being compared in the salaries. First one, E draws more salary than only B. E is more than B, only B, and lesser than the remaining 4. Hence E must be at the 5th place. And D draws more salary than A. D is more than A but lesser than F. And C draws less salary than A. C lesser than A. Hence F, D, A are the 4 persons we have. In this order, this is the only possibility we have. Then at the same time, the person who draws the maximum salary draws 1,45,000, 1,45,000. And at the same time, the person who does the third lowest salary, that is C, draws only 62,000. And this is what the information given. And which of the following represent the amount of salary that B possibly draw? Now B is lesser than 62,000, lesser than 62,000, 44,000, that is choice 5. Clear now? Question number 26, it is choice 5. Then coming to question number 27, start working on this 27. Question number 27. Now in this, how many people draw more salary than A? There are only two people, two, that is given in choice 1, question number 27. 27 choice 1. Then 28. 28. If the total salary of E and F is 1,95,000, then what is the salary of E? Now the total salary of E and F is 1,95,000. F is 1,45,000, hence E must be the remaining, that is, how much is the remaining? 50,000. And this person must be 50,000. Then what is the salary of E? E's salary is 50,000, that is choice 2. Choice 2, question number 28. Now with this we have done with the comparison as well. Then now we are left with what? Now one more puzzle is there. Now it is based on 8 people were there, 4 months and 2 different dates were given, isn't it? Then let us start working out this one. 8 persons and 2 different dates. 4 months and 2 different dates. Is done? Now in this, tell me what are the months given here? There are 4 months, and May, June, September and October. Now this is May. What are the dates you given? May 13th and May 28th, and at the same time June, and June 13 and June 28, and next one September and October. Now September 13 and September 28, October 13 and October 28, these are the dates we have. Now 7 persons. Now 7 persons is clearly given. Extend the lines like this, wherein we can able to represent 2 possibilities simultaneously. రెండు ఒకేసారి చేసే ఛాన్స్ ఉండదు కాబట్టి then let us work out like this. Then first one, T has a meeting on 28th of a month which has only 30 days. Only 30 days. So how many months have having 30 days? Only 30, June and September. Hence 28th. Hence this T can be June 28th or September 28th. Hence how many possibilities? 2 different possibilities. S has a meeting immediately before T. S is immediately before T. S is immediately before T. As many people have a meeting before S as after Z. Before S there are 2. After Z there must be 2. Now before S 1, 2, 3, 4. After Z there must be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And next one, only one person between Z and W. Z is here and W must be here. One person between Z and W. W must be here. And next one, 2 people between W and X. 1, 2, X is here. Now 1, 2, X and S must be in the same place. Not possible. This case is ruled out. And both U and Y has a meeting in the same month. In the same month means it cannot be in the month of October. U and Y must be here. And Y has a meeting on an even number date. Hence Y is here. U is here. Then tell me who is the person left over here, and V is the person left over. Done? Now this is about the final arrangement we have. Then coming to question here, how many people have a meeting in between W and V? In between W and V there is no person, isn't it? None. That is choice 3, question number 29. Then 30th, let's start working out this one, question number 30. Who has a meeting immediately before S? Yes, tell me who is that person? Now immediately before S, that is none other than Y. Y, that is choice 4. Y choice 4, question number 30. Then 31st, this question number 31. Which of the following is true as per the given arrangement? Which of the following is true as per the given arrangement? Then in this, only two people have a meeting between Y and X. Y and X. Yes, definitely true. First one is true. And next one B. And V has a meeting on one of the months. One of the months before T. V is after T, hence B is false. As B is false, A and B is false, all is false. Then what is your answer? Only one. Only A, that is choice 1, question number 31. Then coming to question number 32. Which of the following combination is correct as per the given arrangement? Which of the following is correct as per the given arrangement? Is done? No, sir. Which of the following combination is correct? Z in the month of May, that is false. W is 28th, definitely true. Choice 2. W 28th. Then question number 33. Now in this 33, 4 out of the following. 4 out of the following is nothing but an odd man out. Try to work out this one. Now in this question number, odd one out. Now in this odd one out, yes. Yes in the month of June, isn't it? And next one U. U is what? And U is May 13th. And now S is 13th. And V is again 13th. Now X is 13th. But is except Z. The remaining 4 persons are on 13th. But Z is the only person and who has meeting on 28th. Hence choice 4 is the odd one, question number 33. Now with this we have come to an end of this one as well. Then let us start with question number 34. Now this 34 onwards, they are based on syllogisms. Okay, start working out the first one, syllogism. Has done with this one, answer please. Now all sentences are what? All these sentences are punishments. Now these are the sentences which are punishment, and only a few punishment are buns. Only a few punishment are buns, but not all. Only few, but not all. And all these punishment cannot be a part of this bun. No bun is a gas. No bun is a gas. No intersection between bun and a gas. Then coming to the first one here, And some sentences are bun. Sentence is here, bun is here, no intersection between these two, that is false. All punishments can never be gases. Here is claiming that all these punishments cannot be a part of gas. Now let us check out whether they can be a part of gas or not. In order to make that is possible, now my statement should be like this gas. ఇలా డ్రా చేస్తే పనిష్మెంట్స్ అన్ని గ్యాసెస్ ట్రూ అవుతున్నాయి. ఇలా ట్రూ అయితే ఇవి ట్రూ అవ్వదు అన్నాడు కాబట్టి ఫాల్స్ అయ్యేది. కానీ ఇలా ట్రూ అవుతుందా, ఇలా డ్రా చేయడం కుదరదు కాబట్టి వీడు కూడా కుదరదని చెప్పాడు. అండ్ డెఫినెట్లీ 2 ఫాలోస్. అండ్ 2 ఈజ్ ద ఆన్సర్. ఓన్లీ 2 ఫాలోస్ అండ్ దట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ ఇన్ 34. ఓన్లీ 2 and it is given in choice 5. Clear now? 34 choice 5 is the answer. ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నాడు చెప్పండి, ఆల్ పనిష్మెంట్స్ అన్ని గ్యాసెస్గా రాయడం కుదరదు అని అన్నాడు. మనం ఏం చేసాం, పనిష్మెంట్ గ్యాసెస్ అవుతున్నాయో లేదో ట్రై చేసాం. మనం ట్రై చేస్తే మనకు కూడా కుదరలేదు. ఎందుకు చెప్పండి, ఈ రెండు మనకి కలవకూడదు, ఇక్కడ కలిసిపోతున్నాయి కనుక మనకు కూడా కుదరలేదు. వాడు కుదరదు అన్నాడు కనుక వాడు చెప్పింది కరెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. 34. Then coming to question number 35. Your time starts now for this question number 35. Question number 35. Yes, Sankit, I'll explain that one again in English. Then question number 35. Now in this 35, only a few principles are rules. Only a few principles are rules, which means that now only a few principles are rules, but not all. All these principles cannot be a part of this rule. But the vice versa can be true. All rules can be principle, but all principles cannot be rules. And no rule is a book. No rule is a book means no intersection between rule and a book. Then coming to the first one, some principles are books. Principle is here, book is here. There is no intersection between these two. First one is false. Then coming to the second, no principle is a book. Principle is here, book is here, definitely true. As a second conclusion is true, it is a negative conclusion that is true. Hence, in order to make this one false, now we need to check out its complementary pair. That is, some books are, some principles are books. Now tell me whether I can able to write book like this or not. Isn't it? These two cannot be intersected, but as these two can be intersected. By doing so, what happens here? I have proven a case where some of the books are principles is true, hence no book is a principle is true. And at the same time, what happened to the previous affirmative conclusion that was false in the basic diagram? Now it has become true. The first conclusion now has become true. That means, what is your answer here? When the first one is false, second is true, first is false. Between these two, only one can be true, both cannot be true at the same time. Hence, it is the case of either one or two, choice 2. Clear now, Ankit? Ankit, it is choice 2. Question number 35. Then coming to question number 36. Now in this question number 36, I start working on this one 36. Now 36, no purse is a wallet. No intersection between a purse and a wallet. And next one, only a few bags are purses. Only few bags are purses means only some of the bags must be purses, but not all. And all these wallets are what? All these wallets are a part of card. Now card is here. Now the first one, all cards can never be purses. Here is claiming that this entire card cannot be a part of these purses. Now tell me, is it possible or not? Now in order to make this one true, my card should be like this. Now I am checking out whether all cards can be purses or not. If I draw cards like this, then along with these cards, what happens here? This W must also come. But as these two cannot be intersected, and for me it is not possible. He is also claiming that it is not possible. Is true. And coming to the next one, no book is a wallet. Book is here, wallet is here. As of now, it is true. In order to make this one false, now tell me whether I can write my book like this or not. Yes. Hence, by doing so, we can able to make this one false. Hence, what is your answer? Only one follows, that is choice 4. Clear now? Now in the first one is claiming that this entire cards cannot be a purchase. Now I have checked out whether these cards can be purchased or not. For me also it is not possible. Hence whatever he claimed is definitely true. And coming to question number 37. Now in this 37, then all these clones are pocket. How to represent this one? These are the clones which are pocket, and all these pockets are shared. And next one, only a few dolls are clones. Only a few dolls are clones, but not all. All these dolls cannot be a part of this clone. And first one, some dolls are pocket. As that is definitely true. This is intersection of these two. Definitely true. No clone is a shirt. Clone and shirt, that is definitely false here. Hence, what is your answer? Only one follows. That is choice 4. Question number 37, it is choice 4 is the answer. Okay, I do not know why you people have taken so much time to this one, isn't it? Because second one straight away ruled out. It is false. No need to check out for an alternate diagram. Now the first one is an affirmative conclusion that will be true forever. Done. Hence only 4 follows 37. Then coming to question number 38. Now 38 onwards it is based on blood relations. 38 onwards it is based on blood relations. Let's start working out this one blood relation. 38 to 40 are the 3 questions that were based on this blood relation set. With this, we have done all the questions of reasoning. Yes. Now in this, now what is the information we have? V is the only son of P. Now P is here. Now this V is the only son. Daughters could be n number, but your son is only one. C is the only sibling of V. As C is the only sibling of V, this C must be a female because V is the only son. And next one, K is married to P. P and K are a married couple. And D is the only brother-in-law of P. As D is the only brother-in-law of P, D is the only brother-in-law. That means P is spouse's brother, or K has no siblings. As K has no siblings, that means this person's brother-in-law means this person's sister's husband. Isn't it? That is it. Because this person K is not having any siblings. Then now D is the only brother-in-law of P. That means P's sister's husband is D. K has no siblings. K has no siblings. G is the father-in-law of K. Now G is the father-in-law of K means this G is the father-in-law of this P and this P's sister. And W is the only daughter of Z. Hence W must be the wife of this D. Then if H is the mother-in-law of D, what is information we have? H is the mother-in-law of D. That means D's wife's mother is H. Hence G and H are married couple. Then how is P related to H? Now this how is P related to H? Now this W. Now V is the only son of P, isn't it? Then what is your answer here? Then K has no siblings and D is the only brother-in-law. K is married to P. K and P are married couple. V is the only son of P. C is the only sibling of V. C is the only sibling. K is married to P and D is the only brother-in-law of P, isn't it? And K has no siblings. And G is the father-in-law of K and at the same time W is the only daughter of Z. As W is the only daughter, hence obviously P must be a male, hence K is a female. Then in this case, then how is P related to H? H is and P related to H, and P is the son of H, son that is given in choice 3. Clear now? Now question number 38, it is choice 3. Then coming to 39 here, start working out this 39. As question number 39. How is W related to V? Now V is father's sister. Father's sister is none other than aunt. Hence choice 4 is the answer. Question number 39, it is choice 4, aunt. Then finally question number 40 in this. Blood relations. How is G related to C? Now in this, how is G related to C? C is father's father. Father's father is grandfather. Grandfather, that is choice 3. Grandfather, choice 3. Now with this we have done with our reasoning part. Then now 56 to 60, let us go through these questions here. Now wrong number series, and wrong number series is the last priority in your examination, isn't it? Then now let us start with question number 56. Start working out this one. 56. Is fine. Now coming to this one, numbers starting with 2 and increased up to 400. Numbers are increasing at a very faster rate, hence it must be under product or combination, isn't it? Now, so 2 and 4, how can you relate this one? 2 into 2 is 4. 4 and 10, can you relate these two numbers here? Now here if you observe here 10 and 30, it is into 3. Now this is into 2, this is into 3, hence obviously it must be into 2.5. Check out here, into 2, into 2.5, into 3. Now this is into 3.5. And the next one is into 4. 105 into 4 is 420. In the place of 420 has given 400. Hence 400 is the wrong number. Clear now? What is your answer here? Choice 3. Now the given numbers are multiplied with 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5 and 4. Then the wrong number is 400 and the correct number is 420. Then coming to question number 57. Now in this 57, start working out this 57. Now if you observe here, numbers starting with 3 and increased up to 76, numbers are increasing at a smaller rate, hence it must be under difference. Now tell me what is the difference we have? 3 and 4, 1. Here the difference between these two is 7. 11 and 25, the difference is 14. And 25 and 47, the difference is how much? 22. And here the difference 47 and 76, the difference is 29. Then again, let's go for the difference of differences. 1 and 7, the difference is 6. 7 and 14, difference is 7. And here 14 plus 8, 6, 7, 8. And the next difference must be 9. 22 plus 9 must be 31. And 31 must be added to this one. Isn't it? Hence, what is the wrong number here? 76. Now 47 plus 31, the correct number is 78. Now the number is 76 is the wrong one. Clear now? Hence it comes under difference because the numbers are increasing at a smaller rate. Then coming to question number 58. Then coming to this one, numbers starting with 8 increase to 754. Numbers are increasing at a very faster rate, hence it must be under product or combination. Product is not possible between these two, isn't it? There is no perfect multiples, hence it must be combination. Hence 8 into 1 minus 1, 7 and 13, 7 into 2, 14 minus 1, 13, 13 into 3, 39 minus 1, now 38 into 4 minus 1, 8 into 4, 2 minus 1, here the last digit must be 1, hence 152 is the wrong number and 151 is the correct number. Hence what is your answer? Choice 5. Done with this? Now if you observe the pattern here, into 1, into 2, into 3, into 4, into 5, and 1 is subtracted from the product, minus 1 and so on. And this is about question number 58. Then 59. Let's start working out this 59. Yes, any answer to this? Fine. Then coming to this one. Now if you observe here the numbers in the decimal form, isn't it? Whenever the numbers are given in the decimal, multiply the numbers with 10. Now the given numbers are 29, 42, 68 and 120, 224 and 412 because the difference would be easier. Then 29 and 42, tell me what is the difference we have between these two? 13. And 42 and 66 difference and the Japanese 26. Then 68 and 120 difference is how much? Difference is, and 42 is the difference, isn't it? And 42 and 42 or 52, 52 is the difference. Now if this is 52, 13 into 2, 26, 26 into 2, 52, and the next one must be 52 into 2, 104. Check out whether the difference is 104 or not. And the next one, 104 into 2, 208 must be the difference, but as here it is not 208. Clear? Hence what is the wrong number here? And 412 is the wrong number. As earlier we multiplied each of these number with 10, now final answer must be divided by 10. Hence choice 3, question number 59. Clear? Multiples: 13 into 2, 26, 26 into 2, 52, 52 into 2, 104, 104 into 2, 208. Then finally question number 60 in this one. Now in this one, numbers starting with 6, ending with 136, numbers are increasing at a smaller rate, hence we need to go for the difference here. Now what is the difference between these two? 50 is the difference. Next difference between these two is how much? The difference is 33. And what should be the next difference here? 89. And 11 plus 13, the difference is 24. Here 13 and 28, the difference is how much? The difference is 15. And the next one, 128 and 136, difference is 8. Now these are the difference between these numbers. Now if you observe these numbers, this 8 can be written as 3 square minus 1, and 15 can be written as 4 square minus 1, and 24 can be written as 5 square minus 1. Next one must be 6 square minus 1 and 7 square minus 1. 7 square minus 1 is how much? 48. And 6 plus 48, what should be the number? 54. Now if it is 54 and 54 plus 35 is 89, that is 6 square minus 1. Hence what is the wrong number? 56 is the wrong number and the correct number is 54. Done with this? Now with this we have done with this wrong number series as well. Then let's over to quant section.
Right, students, we'll start from question number, yes, till 65 we are done. We'll start from question number 66 onwards. Come on, it's your time now. Quadratic equations, easy one. Yes, combination 6 and 8 here, and here combination 7 and 9. Then factors are minus 6, minus 8, minus 7, minus 9. X greater than y, x less than y, relation cannot be established. Third option is our final answer. Next, question number 67. Yes, product is 6, combination is 6 and 1, minus 6 minus 1. Factors are 6, 1 divided by coefficient of x square. 12 we have minus 3 minus 4 is the combination. Then factors are plus 3 comma plus 4. This value is 3 and this is equal to 0.5. X equal to y, x less than y, x less than y. X is less than or equal condition. Second option is our final answer. Less than or equal condition. Yes. And here is your next question. Right, product is 4 and 5, minus 4 minus 5 is the combination, and 6 and 9, minus 6 minus 9 is the combination. Factors are 4 comma 5 for x, 6 and 9 for y. X less than y, x less than y. Everywhere x is less than y. Third option is our final answer. Yes, third option. Third one is the right answer. Yes, from 69 we have arithmetic questions. Let's see if we have all questions. Yes, still 80. Yes. From 79 and 78 we have line graph questions, so we can definitely complete these questions because these must be easy one. Yes, so in order to make it easy for you, let me write numbers here: a, b, c, d as well as e. Right, 0, 20, there are actually 5 parts between 0 and 20, so each part would be 4. So I'll write a value as 44, 180, 60, 160, and it is 72. Yes. So now you can start your question. That's an easy one. Yes, 200%. Correct. Number of Number of calls attended by B is what percentage more than that attended by C? So it is 120 more upon 60 percentage into 100. 200 is the right answer, which is equal to second option. Next. Next one. Here is your time now. Yes, in the month of September, total number of calls attended by D and C together was double the number of calls attended by B. In September, if B attended 25% less than that he attended in August, how many calls did BC together attended in September? If you can get B value by making 2 times of it, we will get the answer. B value is 180, which is a 9 multiple. If you calculate whatever percentage, that is again 9 multiple. Again, if you take 2 times, answer is also 9 multiple. This is not 9 multiple, this is 9 multiple, this is not 9 multiple, this is not 9 multiple, this is not 9 multiple. Answer must be 9 multiple because your original number is 9 multiple. There is only one option, second option, and that is our final answer. So now we are left with question number 69 onwards. Yes, these are arithmetic questions. Come on, let's start these questions. Yes, 270 is the right answer. IBPS clerk link next week you'll get. Yes. Jar A contains 84 liters of mixture of milk and water, out of which 1/7 is water. 14 liters of this mixture is taken out. So 70 liters we have. Out of 70, water is 1/7, that is 10. Next, and 2 liters is added, 1/7, right. The quantity of milk is what percentage more than that of water in the final mixture, right. So we have 60 here, and 60 and 12. Your question is what percentage more? With respect to 12, 60 is 48 more upon 12 percentage into 100, that is equal to 400 percentage. Second option is our final answer. Second option, 400 percentage. Next. Yes, here is your next question. Distance covered by the boat upstream in 2 hours 24 minutes. 120 minutes plus 24, that is 144 minutes. And distance covered 36. In 60 minutes, that is equal to 15 km per hour. 1/4, 1/4. Speed of the boat in still water is 18. M is equal to 18. M minus S is equal to 15. Hence S is equal to 3. In how much distance downstream will cover in 4 hours? Downstream M plus S, that is equal to 21. In 4 hours, that is into 4. Distance is equal to 84. Second option is our final answer. Second option. Yes, to calculate usually speed, people go for formula, that is distance by time. Distance is equal to 36, time 2 hours 24 minutes. 24 minutes, again they'll convert it to minutes. 2 by 5 it comes. 2 by 5 in the sense that is equal to 12 by 5. 12 3 times 3 into 5 15. So instead of using formula, we can even calculate it for 60 minutes. This is simple for me according to my perception. If you feel formula is easy, then you can follow the formula. Next question, and here is your time now. Train A takes 20 seconds to cross an electric pole at a speed of 90 km per hour. So length of train A is equal to speed into time, 20 into 90 km per hour convert into meter per second, 5 by 18. 18 5 times 25 into 20, that is equal to 500 meters. Train B is 20 meters less than train A. So length of train B is equal to 20 less than 500, which is equal to 480. If train B took 24 seconds to cross an electric pole, so what is the speed? Speed of train B is equal to distance, which is 480 divided by time taken 24 seconds. You'll get answer in meter per second, but you have to convert into kilometer per hour. So which is into 18 by 5. This value is 20. 5 4 times 4 into 18, that is 72. First option is our final answer. 72 kilometer per hour. First we calculated length of the train A, then subtract 20 from it, you get 480, and then we are calculating speed of train B by using distance by time. Now the speed that you get originally was meter per second. Now we have to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour. Hence we need to multiply it with 18 by 5. And next question is here. Okay, Vijay. స్లోగా చెప్పండి అన్నారు. Yes, I'll reduce the speed. A invests 4,000 in a business. At the end of 4 months from the starting of the business, B joined with an investment of 8,400. So I'll write investments as 80 and 84 because two zeros common. If the annual profit, so A is there in the business for only 4 months. B joined after 4 months, he will be there for 8 months. 8, 5 times here, 4, 21 times. Total 26 parts we have. 13,000 is equal to 26 parts, then 1 part value, and we were asked to calculate A's share. A is getting 5 parts. This is equal to 13,000 by 5, which is 500 into 5, that is 2,500. Fourth option is our final answer. 13,000 by 26, 26 500 times into 5 times 2,500. Fourth option is our final answer. And next question. The sum of A and B percentage is equal to 42 and that of B and C is equal to 54. So here B is common. Whatever the difference that we have 12 years between 40 to 54, that is because of A and C. So when C is there, C age is 12 years more than A. If the C's percentage is twice that of A, so that means AC ages are in the ratio 1 is to 2. If it is one part, here it is two parts. Difference is one part, which is equal to 12 years. One part is 12 and two parts is equal to 24. You're asked to calculate B age. Sum of AB ages must be equal to 42. Out of 42, 12 we already have. Then that is 30. Sum of these two numbers is equal to 54. Condition satisfied. B age is equal to 30, which is third option, final answer. When B is common, whatever the difference that we have between 42 and 54, this 12 years difference is just because of A and C. When C is there, the age is 12 years more than when A has. That means C's age is 12 years more than A's age. And here, according to the condition, their ages are in the ratio 1 is to 2 ratio. Difference is one part, and here it is 12 years. One part is equal to 12 years, two parts is equal to 24. Sum of AB ages is equal to 42 minus 12, 30. Or you can even use this equation as well. BC ages must be equal to 54. Out of 54, if you subtract C's age, you get B age as 30. And next question is for you. Destination banker. That depends purely on your interest. Few people may start with reasoning, few people may start with quant. Right, Ravi spent 20 percentage of his monthly salary as rent. Out of remaining 20 percentage is over, remaining is 80%. Out of remaining, he invests 20% in mutual fund, 12% in fixed deposit. So far 32 percentage is over. He is left with 68%. 68 percentage of this number, and which is equal to 24,480. If 24,480 is equal to 80% of 68%, then 1% value is equal to by 80 percentage into 68 percentage. And what is the monthly salary? Monthly salary is 100 percentage, that is equal to into 100%. Right. Now observe this. This is 9 multiple that we have, and none of our denominators are 9 multiple and none of our denominators are 3 multiple. Hence our answer must be a multiple of 9. This cannot be your answer. 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 Fifth option is our final answer. Answer must be a multiple of 9. There is only one option, hence we are directly going for it. If multiple options are there, then we will go for simplification. Next question, number 75, and your time starts now. An article is marked at a price which was 200 percentage more than the cost price. Cost price is 100 percentage, then market price is 300 percentage. 200% more annaru. Ante deeniki 200 add cheyali. The difference between selling price when the article is sold at 20% discount and the selling price when the article is sold at 10% discount. 20% డిస్కౌంట్ 10% డిస్కౌంట్ డిఫరెన్స్ అంటే 10% డిస్కౌంట్ ఎప్పుడు మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ మీద క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం కాబట్టి 30% అనేది డిఫరెన్స్ వస్తుంది అండ్ దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 36 రూపీస్ దెన్ 1% ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 36/30 what is the cost price అడిగారు కాబట్టి ఇంటూ 100%. 0 gets cancelled 312 times into 10 that is equal to 120 answer which is equal to third option final answer 120. డిఫరెన్స్ ఇచ్చారు దేనికి సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ డిఫరెన్స్ 20% డిస్కౌంట్ కి 10% కి డిస్కౌంట్ అంటే డిఫరెన్స్ అనేది 10% వస్తుంది డిస్కౌంట్ 10% డిఫరెన్స్ అన్నాం కాబట్టి మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ మీద 10% అంటే 30% వచ్చింది అది 36 రూపీస్ అన్నారు మరి 1% అంటే 36/30 100% కావాలి కాబట్టి ఇంటూ 100. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 76. Destination banker, no idea for your question. In 2018, the population of village A is 4080. Population of A increased by 20% as compared to the previous year. If in 2017, the respective ratio between the population of male and female is 12:5, what is the number of male? Your question is about number of male people. 20% increase అయిన తర్వాత 4080 అన్నారు మరి 1% కావాలంటే by 120 ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ లో 100% కాబట్టి ఇంటూ 100 మనకి 12:5 రేషియో అంటే 17 పార్ట్స్ ఉంది 12 పార్ట్స్ కావాలి కాబట్టి 12 అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 17 సో సింప్లిఫికేషన్ చేయాలి దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ వే సో ద అదర్ వే ఈస్ సింప్లిఫికేషన్ ఇలా చేయకుండా ఇంకో లాజిక్ చెప్తాను 0 క్యాన్సిల్ 12 గెట్స్ క్యాన్సిల్ సో యూ హ్యావ్ 2 zeros 7 4 times ends with 8 answer should end with 400 there is only third option లేదా నంబర్ ఆఫ్ జీరోస్ చెక్ చేసినా సరే 2 zeros ఉండాలి 2 zeros ఉన్న ఆప్షన్ ఒకే ఒకటి ఉంది కాబట్టి థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ డైరెక్ట్ గా ఆన్సర్ పెట్టేసేయచ్చు ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ ఇంకొక వేలో కూడా చేయొచ్చు ఎలాగో చెప్తా వినండి సో 20% ఇంక్రీజ్ అయిన తర్వాత 4080 అన్నాం మరి ఇంక్రీజ్ కాకముందు కంపల్సరిగా 3000s లోనే ఉండాలి 20% ఇంక్రీజ్ అయ్యాక 4080 అయింది కాబట్టి 20% ఇంక్రీజ్ అయిన తర్వాత 80తో ఎండ్ అవుతుంది అంటే మన 10% అనేది 40 అయినా అవ్వచ్చు లేదా 90 అయినా అవ్వచ్చు 10% 40 అయితే 20% 80 అవుతుంది 10% 90 అయితే 20% 180 అవుతుంది అంటే 80 తోటి ఎండ్ అవుతుంది సో 10% ఈ వాల్యూస్ అయినట్లయితే మరి 100% అనేవి 400 కానీ 900 కానీ అవ్వచ్చు కాబట్టి మనం 3400 అయితే ఇక్కడ నేను మీకు చెప్పడానికి ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ పడుతుంది తప్ప లాజికల్ కంక్లూజన్ అయితే మైండ్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ సింపుల్ గా అయిపోతుంది 3400 లో 10% అంటే 240 20% అంటే 680 యాడ్ చేస్తే కరెక్ట్ నెంబర్ వచ్చేసింది ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని 17 పార్ట్స్ గా డివైడ్ చేసాము అందులో 12 పార్ట్స్ కావాలి ఇది 200 టైమ్స్ ఇంటూ 12 అంటే 2400 థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ ఆన్సర్ ఈ సింప్లిఫికేషన్ అయితే తక్కువ టైంలో అయిపోతుంది మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడానికి నాకు ఎక్కువ టైం పట్టింది నెక్స్ట్ your time starts now Inlet A can fill an empty tank in 48 hours. Outlet B can empty the full tank in 72 hours. One is ఇన్లెట్ ద అదర్ ఈజ్ అవుట్లెట్. సో ఎల్సిఎం తీసుకున్నట్లయితే 144 అవుతుంది. ఇదేమో 3 యూనిట్స్ పాజిటివ్ వర్క్, ఇదేమో 2 యూనిట్స్ నెగిటివ్ వర్క్. ఇన్లెట్ ఏ వాజ్ ఓపెన్ ఫర్ 12 అవర్స్. 12 అవర్స్లో 12 ఇంటూ 3 36 యూనిట్స్ వర్క్ చేస్తుంది. బి వాజ్ ఓపెన్ ఫర్ 3 అవర్స్. 3 అవర్స్లో 3 ఇంటూ 2 6 యూనిట్స్ తీసేస్తుంది. అంటే 30 యూనిట్స్ వర్క్ ఈజ్ డన్. వాట్ ప్రపోర్షన్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్యాంక్ వాజ్ ఫిల్డ్ బై వాటర్ ఆఫ్టర్ 15 అవర్స్. సో 30 liters fill అయినాయి అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 144. క్యాన్సిలేషన్ 12 5 times, 12 once 12 and then 2 times. 5 by 12. Something is wrong. 12 into 3 36. 3 into 2 60. 30. Yes. Cancellation with the 6. 6 2 times and then 4 times. 5 by 24. Cancellation with 6. I said 12. 12 కాదు 6 తో క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే 6 5 times అవుతుంది, 6 24 times అవుతుంది. 5 by 24 is final answer. Cancellation with 6. That was my mistake. Yes, next question 78, and this is going to be last question for this session. Yeah, perfect. The perimeter of the square is 64. Then side is equal to divided by 4, which is equal to 16. The length of the rectangle is 4 less than the side of the square. 4 less than this number, that is equal to 12. The area of the rectangle is 108. What is the breadth? To calculate breadth, that is area divided by length, area is equal to 108 and answer is equal to 9, which is equal to first option, final answer. Side of the square is given as 16. 4 less than 16 is equal to length of the rectangle, which is equal to 12. Area divided by 12 will give you breadth, that is equal to 9, final answer. So now what's the time, total time that we took to complete these questions? To this number we have to add 8 more minutes. So that is 37 minutes 13 seconds. Still you are left with 8 more minutes approximately. ఇంకా మీకు 8 minutes మిగిలింది. కాబట్టి కంపల్సరీగా కంఫర్టబుల్గా ఈవెన్ విత్ వేరియేషన్ ఆఫ్ 10% to 20% వేరియేషన్ తోటి, మీకు స్టాండర్డ్ వేరియేషన్ తోటి క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చినా సరే కంఫర్టబుల్గా మనం ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ని సాల్వ్ చేసేయచ్చు. సో దట్స్ ఆల్ ఫ్రమ్ మై సైడ్ ఫర్ టుడే అండ్ విల్ మీట్ ఇన్ నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.